I'm excited to talk about money today because we all want more of it, right? The fancy car, the dream vacation, that feeling of security, knowing you have a comfortable nest egg for the future. But let's be honest, building wealth can feel like a confusing maze, filled with complicated strategies and sacrifices. But what if I told you there's another way? Your habits. Here are 9 easy habits to multiply your money this year. Track your spending. This might sound boring, but it's the foundation of financial awareness. Think of it like going to the gym. You can't track your progress unless you know your starting point. There are tons of free budgeting apps out there, or you can even use a simple spreadsheet. The important thing is to record your income and expenses for a month. You might be surprised where your money is actually going. For example, imagine you spend an average of $5 a day on coffee. That might not seem like much, but over a year, that's $1,825. Think about the weekend getaway you could have funded with that money. Tracking your spending gives you the power to make informed choices about where your hard-earned cash goes. Automate your savings. Here's a secret weapon used by successful savers: automation. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This pay-yourself-first approach ensures you're saving consistently, even when that latte starts calling your name. Treat your savings like a bill you absolutely have to pay. Rethink your subscriptions. We all know the struggle: endless subscriptions for music streaming, movie nights, online fitness classes. While these services offer convenience, audit them regularly. Are you using them all on a monthly basis? Canceling unused subscriptions can free up a surprising amount of money each month. Think of it as a no-brainer way to boost your savings without feeling deprived. Embrace the power of no. This one might feel awkward at first, but trust me, it gets easier. Learn to politely decline impulse purchases or unnecessary expenses. A friend suggests an expensive night out? Maybe suggest a potluck at your place instead. Salesperson pressuring you into an extended warranty? Thank them for their time and politely decline. Remember, your money is your responsibility, and learning to say no empowers you to make conscious spending choices. Cook more meals at home. Eating out is a major budget drain. Think about it. A casual lunch at a restaurant can easily cost $15, while a home-cooked meal might set you back just $5. Over a month, that's a significant difference. Challenge yourself to cook more meals at home. Explore budget-friendly recipes, experiment with different cuisines, and have fun with it. There are countless resources online and cookbooks filled with delicious and affordable meal ideas. Negotiate everything. Don't be afraid to negotiate. This applies to everything from your salary to your cable bill. The worst they can say is no. Do your research beforehand, know your worth, and be confident in your request. According to Science of People, people who negotiate their salary increase their starting pay by an average of $5,000. That's a significant boost to your financial well-being. Invest your savings. Letting your money sit idle in a savings account won't do much for your financial goals. Explore different investment options based on your risk tolerance. Mutual funds, ETFs, or even investing in yourself through skill development are all possibilities. Remember, the key is to put your money to work for you and grow your wealth over time. Declutter and sell. Do you have unused items cluttering your home? Those old clothes, unused gadgets, or books you no longer read? They're all potential sources of extra income. Sell them online on platforms like eBay or have a garage sale. Turning unused items into cash can boost your savings and declutter your living space. Explore the gig economy. The traditional 9-to-5 job isn't the only way to earn money anymore. Platforms like Uber or Upwork offer flexible ways to leverage your skills and generate extra income on your own terms. Maybe you're a great writer, a skilled handyman, or a natural language tutor. The gig economy allows you to monetize your talents and fit work around your schedule.